Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to turn on auto-delete activity in your Gmail account. This feature helps you manage your data and maintain your privacy by automatically deleting your activity after a specified period. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account for which you want to enable auto-delete. Next, click on your profile photo located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options related to your Google account. From there, tap on Manage your Google account. This action will take you to the settings where you can control various aspects of your account. Now, look for the Data and Privacy option and click on it. This section contains all the settings related to your data management. As you scroll down, find Web and App Activity under the History settings. Click on it to access the activity controls for your Google services. Next, under the Auto Delete section, click on Choose an Auto Delete option. This is where you can set up how long Google should keep your activity before automatically deleting it. You'll now see several options for auto deletion. Choose Auto Delete Activity and select a time frame that suits you best. Options typically include 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. After making your selection, click on Next. You will be prompted to confirm your choice. Review the information carefully to ensure that you are comfortable with the settings you've chosen. Finally, tap on Confirm. Your auto-delete settings are now activated. Google will automatically delete your activity based on the time frame you selected. And that's it. You've successfully turned on auto-delete for your Gmail activity. This feature not only helps in keeping your Gmail organized, but also enhances your privacy by ensuring that old data is removed regularly. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your digital life effectively.